Well, hello everybody. Boy, have I got a bit of a treat for you today. Man, oh man, it's hot up here. So I'm up in the mountains. I'm walking through a bit of a tunnel here, so it's going to get dark. And boom, it'll get light, and you get to see my shiny face all over again. So we got a bit of a treat here for this one. This house had some serious issues where the ground was basically washing away from underneath the house and started sliding down the hill. It was a bit of a mess. So the engineer and I came up, more engineer than I, obviously, I just do it, but came up with a plan to stop this house from continuing sliding down the hill. And just as a reference, we measured about 3.5 inches of movement. Now that doesn't seem like a lot, but think about it on a floor, 3.5 inches. You roll a marble across your floor and it's going through your drywall. So hang on a second for a bit of a ride and we're going to turn you around.